Besides an adjustable steering column, height adjustable driver seats, the Vento also comes with adjustable seat belts. Press this knob here and it goes down. Press it again, push it up, and there you have it, adjustable seat belts. The armrest here not just aids in comfort but also adds up as a storage compartment. Now the Vento also comes with anti-reflective mirrors. Press the knob behind and you've got an anti-reflective mirror, especially useful during night driving. Opening the fuel cap is an easy task as well. Just press it in and the fuel cap opens up.